Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Ilyana and to my fellow classmates. We are from Group 1 and we're going to present about soil pipes. Soil pipes are essential components in a building's plumbing and drainage system designed to carry wastewater and sewage from toilets, urinals, and other sanitary fittings to the underground drainage network or septic tank. They are typically made of materials such as PVC, cast iron, or UPVC and are installed vertically as soil stacks to allow smooth flow and proper ventilation of gases. A well-designed soil pipe system helps prevent blockages, leakage, and foul odors, ensuring a safe and hygienic environment within buildings. There are several functions of soil pipe. The first one, it carries wastewater and sewage. It transports human waste and used water from toilets, urinals, and bidets to the underground drainage system or septic tank. The second one is provides ventilation. Allow gases from the drainage system to escape safely into the atmosphere through vent pipes. The third one prevents backflow and pressure buildup. Balances air pressure within the drainage system to ensure smooth flow and prevent siphoning of water seals in traps. The fourth one, it ensures hygiene and sanitation, prevents leakage, foul smells, and contamination by safely conveying waste away from occupied areas. The last one, it supports efficient drainage system operation, connects with other pipes to maintain a continuous and reliable pumping system.
Moving on to my part, which should be components in a soil system. Starting off with soil pipe or stack. Think of this as a system's highway. It's a vertical pipe that collects all wastewater from different flows, then carries it safely downwards and away from the building. Next, we have the branch pipe. These are horizontal pipes that connects directly to the fixtures we use, such as outlets from a toilet or a shower drain, and then channels the waste into the main soil stack. Next, we have the vent pipe. This pipe doesn't carry waste. Its job is to carry foul gases safely above the roof levels. This can prevent the odors from backing up into the building and helps the system to maintain proper air pressure for smoother drainage. Next, we have the traps, such as P traps or S traps. Their function is simple but vital as they create a water seal that can physically prevent sewer odors and foul air from backing up into living spaces. Last but not least, we have the inspection chamber. This is essentially a dedicated access point, usually outside. It's crucial for maintenance and quick clearing of any blockages that might occur in underground piping network. Okay, so moving on to the next part, we should be on types of soil pipe. First off, we have the cast iron pipe. This type of pipe is usually heavy, strong, and incredibly long lasting, and you usually find this type of pipe in older buildings and heavy duty industrial site where durability is paramount. Next, we have the UPVC pipe, or otherwise known as unplasticized PVC pipe. This type of pipe is usually light, corrosion resistant, and very easy to install. This is a standard material for modern buildings today due to its efficiency and cost effectiveness. Last but not least, we have the HDPE pipe, otherwise known as high density polyethylene pipe. This type of pipe is flexible, highly durable, and offers great chemical resistance. It is preferred for demanding environments such as high-rise construction or complex underground system where some flexibility is needed. And that's all for me. I'm passing on to my next group member.
Good afternoon, my name is Horesho Rawing and I will be doing materials comparison for these three types of pipes and their property. Cast iron pipes are heavy compared to UPVC pipe and HDPE pipe where both of them are lightweight. Cast iron pipes have moderate resistance to corrosion while both UPVC pipe and HDPE pipe have excellent resistance to corrosion. UPVC pipe have high durability while both cast iron pipe and HDPE pipe have very high durability. Cast iron pipe have high cost, while UPVC pipe have low cost and HDPE pipe have moderate cost. Next is installation guidelines. For slope or gradient, it must be minimum 1 to 40 for horizontal runs to ensure flow. For jointing, use correct fittings and sealants to prevent leaks. For the support, provide pipe clamps or brackets at intervals. For the ventilation, extend vent pipe above roof to release gases. Lastly, Perform water or air tests for leaks before closing the pipe with walls.
Assalamu alaikum to Madam Doliana. My name is Muhammad Kabir Sachi bin Ridi. I'm from class CFAP1145D, and today I will be covering all the maintenance work and common problems related to soil pipe, as well as the clauses related to plumbing works based on SMM2. Without further ado, I will start with the maintenance. Soil pipes must be regularly inspected through manholes and access points. Users must also avoid throwing non-degradable materials into toilets. Traps and vent openings must be cleaned periodically. Cracks, blockage, or leaks must also be checked periodically. Moving on to the common problems. Soil pipes often suffers from blockage due to the buildup of waste and improper gradient. The solution is usage of auger or flush system. Next, leakage. Leakage is also one of the problem that is often suffered by soil pipes due to the cracked joints or fittings along the pipelines. The solution will be replace damaged sections uh, along the pipelines. Next, we have fall order. Fall order is due to broken traps or vent blockage, and the solution is to repair the trap or clear the vent. And finally, we have corrosion, which specifically relates to galvanized iron pipes. This is due to the presence of moisture and chemicals around the exterior surfaces of the pipes. The solution is replace the GI pipes with UPVC or HDPE pipes. Finally, moving on to the clauses related to plumbing works based on SMM2. The plumbing works is covered in Section Q, pipework, and the clauses related are Q7, Q8, and Q9. That is all from me. Thank you.
Greetings, my name is Mohammed Kaziljau, and I'll be covering the regulatory bodies as well as the standards involved with the soil pipe fixtures. So, first of all, the authorities who are in charge of making sure the standards are set and kept up to date is the Public Work Department or JKR, local councils such as district offices or councils of townships, and lastly, fire and rescue departments or BOMBA, which is responsible for making sure that everything is safe, everything is up to date, all connections adhere to the standards, and everything will lead to no injuries or no possible breakage or damages in the future. Next, it is the building bylaws. Now, these are usually set by the authorities previously mentioned, and they cover things such as drainage and appliance requirements, material specification, which is important in making sure that the pipes or the soil pipes are made of materials that can last and can actually survive the materials or the wastage that is going to be passing through these pipes. And lastly, the fixing methods, which outlines the proper way of fixing these pipes together and putting them into the ground or fixing them to whatever walls or places they need be. And lastly, the standards. The standards here in this situation, and specifically for the soil pipes themselves, are stated out by the Department of Standards Malaysia. Now, CIRIM usually covers things such as electronics and other uh, materials and standards for other such objects. However, in this situation, for example, in MS 1387, it specifically covers things such as the pipes and things involved with piping. So, to summarize my presentation and my group today, we believe that soil pipes are a very important feature to have in every home. They are essential for making sure that all the wastage, all the soil, and all the filth that is generated from a household is then dispersed and channeled through the proper way into the gutterage and onto a treatment plant at the end of the day. So with this, soil pipes are very important because it makes sure that a house stays clean and safe for human use, while also ensuring that having proper materials is important such that no breakages, leakages, or any sort of mistakes or error may happen in the future. With that, I end my presentation today. Thank you.